What up, what up? We're back with the Kimber Sapphire with another video for you guys. So we got some new switches in. These are the Geonworks Raptor MX Extreme gaming switches. These are linear switches. These are right here. So these have a throw of 0.9. That's what they sounding like on the mic. Supposed to be very, very good. These were the ones I was using. These are the clicky ones, but these are more tactical. So you have to, when you push them down, you're going through the click, and then it's pressing down. These are 1.1 throw. And of course, the classic MX silver switches, which I had these on my attack and I had the bronze on my movement. But now we're going to switch all these out completely for the MX Extreme Gaming pin switches. The Geonworks, the Raptor MX. So once I switch them out, I'm going to do a quick comparison. So let's just go with the quick sound comparison. But if you want the lowest throws and the quickest response, definitely mess with these Geonworks Raptor MX Extreme switches. So the green button and the purple button have, the green button has the MX Silver Cherries. Y'all hear these? These are the linear switches. These are 1.2, 1.4 throw. Then we got the clicky bronze speed switches. If you want clicky and sound, these are the way to go. But these are tactical too, so it's not as it's just as fast, but it just has that click that it has to go through before it initiates the throw. But these are very nice too. These are the main switches I was using. And then we have the these are the MX Extreme. I hear these. Put them closer to the mic. So I got these in the pink and the blue button, so we can hear the difference. So these are the MX Extreme switches when you're hitting the button. These are the MX Silver Cherry switches. These are the bronze speed bronze switches. I hear that click. Let me know what y'all think. If you want the lowest throw, it's definitely the MX Extreme, the Raptor MX. For sure. Let me know what you guys think. This is just a quick video. Which switch you think is best? Now these are all Raptor MX Extreme switches that's in here. Let's just go crazy. This is at the medium throw of the buttons. Oh yeah, it's so much lower. 0.9, you can't beat that. They feel good, they sound good. They're very snappy. Yeah, I like these switches. I think this is what we're gonna stick with. You wanna lower the throw? Just turn this little thing on the buttons. Lower the throw of all the buttons. Now, let's see how they sound. They're much lower. Just with the lowest throw. Oh yeah, these things, this is nice. You know, if you got a combo, let me know what throw button you use. If you use the lowest, the highest, or the medium. Yeah, these switches feel real good. I don't have to, way through the click or anything. There's no, just go straight through.